So you teach it in architecture school, and I find that fascinating because architecture is where metaphysics becomes tangible. So how do buildings or materials express this idea that everything has its own life?
Very interesting. What you find is that the architectural object has a life that the architect never suspected. They expect certain things to happen when the building is constructed. It doesn't happen. So they may create one area where they think is going to be a seating area. We have one in the lobby of my apartment building here. Very comfortable. It has booths and plush chairs, but no one is ever there for some reason. And there was no way to predict that that was going to become a less used space. And so it's kind of this dead space. Whereas there are other parts of the building where people are hanging out much more often. So this is one thing architects face. And architects also will tell you, just like any artist, that the building starts speaking back to them as they design it. That yes, originally their ideas are what start the process of creation of the building, and yet there's resistance that they feel. Just as a novelist will tell you that they're intending to have a character do a certain thing in a certain chapter, but the character seems to be feeling like they're not wanting to do that. The character's wanting to do something else. Or maybe a minor character wants to become more major, and so starts pressing back against the author. So there are lots of ways an object that we create can resist our intentions and force us to do something we never expected.